butt too for you. Hurry up, take it.
No, I'm recording it and I took a picture. Lily, you got duct tape on the tail.
You got tape on your butt.
Oh.
Oh, she got mad too. She was mad at him. She thinks he does everything.
What's that?
She's like, what'd you do that for, Dad? That's just mean. I can't wag my tail.
Poor Lily.
The crown.
She is the queen. So.
That's how you stop a cat, though. Put something on their head. They don't like it.
Exactly.
She's not the queen of Shira, though. She's the queen of Beacha.
Lily, like money? Like money, Lily? What the heck? Why does she stand up like that when she gets pet?
She does when Kevin pets her. She's trying to savor his favor. Because he is the alpha.
And you are
so
too.
She's trying to impress him.
You have to talk. Welcome, mind meld.
That's not how you do it.
How does Lily know he's down?
You gotta do this.
Oh, okay, sorry.
What? Well, just lick her butt and sniff it so you know where she's been. You know she's being very kind to you guys and let you smell her butt.
Nothing to do with it. You shake hands.
She don't. She sniffs butts.
Ew.
Oh man.
Put you on a shelf.
Yeah. She jumped in that box right there.
You're going on a shelf.
What's she gonna do?
Jump.
Yeah.
Don't make her jump from up high. She hasn't been jumping very good lately. I'm serious, Kevin. She'll get hurt.
You ain't gonna get hurt, are you?
She hasn't been jumping very good.
Oh,
See?
she did it.
I think you should go to bed now. It's enough entertainment for me for one day.
Went to take the garbage out, the bottom fell out. I am soaked and the sun is still out in Arkansas. You know, it's bad.
Well, say bye, Lily. Lily, say bye. Lily. Lily, say bye.
Well, why don't we go back in there?